Things you'll need: a pair of scissors A for size, colored paper, glue, cardboard colors, tissue paper, water, double-sided tape, straw. Let's take a cardboard and cover it with chart paper. I covered the back side of the cardboard. Then I'm taking 1-inch bigger paper and sealed it with double-sided tape. Make two such boards. Cover it from both sides. You can use colored paper or you can color these buildings before giving them shape. Now I am coloring this building to represent a hospital. It's a school. It's a hotel. Take few tissue papers and soak them up in water. Squeeze the water. Now add some glue and green paint. Mix, mix, mix. Mix it well. Now take a board and stick it onto the board. Cut green papers to represent fields. You can leave these fields as it is, or you can paste cardboard sheets. Paste a well, some houses and school. Draw a road. Zebra crossing. Traffic signboard. Paste some trees in a swimming pool. Now take a cardboard and stick both city and village models. Make banners of village and city and stick on ice cream sticks. It's ready.